What up, YouTube? Sports Stuff 87 coming at you from 30,000 feet in the air. It's 8 in the morning, and as you can see, we're doing it right here at 8 in the morning.
YouTube LT 1987.
Sports Stuff and Aritfacts hockey on an airplane.
And a bottle of Jack.
And Jack. Going to the Garth Brooks concert in Nashville. Alright. This is absolutely ridiculous, by the way. Please stow all sports cards in the overhead compartment. Legends of Mark Messier out of $9.99.
Homo.
All sports card wrappers go in the barf bag. And a rookie of Maxim Who Gives a Damn out of $9.99.
Oh, gee, he's like Rookie of the Year.
He's like Rookie of the Century. There's a hit in there, so we're going to save it.
What a dick.
There's a hit in there, so we're going to save it. Rookie of JT Wyman out of $9.99. Once again, everybody's hero. Maybe I should have picked something with less packs.
You like my dick.
Pascal Leclerc, 2-color jersey, not numbered.
I would. That make me gay.
Huh?
What? They're vibrating off the tape.
New York Islanders rookie redemption.
Well, that's a good one.
That's a great one. That could be a Mr. Parse.
Could be. No, it won't. It'll be a new class.
Oh yeah, no, well, I lied. So in actuality, it's gonna suck. If they fall, that would suck. Alright, Cagliano. Jonah Gustafson out of $9.99.
Or he sucks the D for 11.
He sucks the D. She wants me to give her the D.
Bro, Bobby Orr. Nice.
Bobby Orr auto. Very nice. Not numbered, but very, very nice.
$100.
Alright, so that's the patch, and apparently there must not have been a hit in here. Yeah, there is a hit in here, so I got an extra hit. I think it's only supposed to be 3 hits per box.
Oh, pick that up.
Uh-oh, we're losing it here. Oh, shit. Put the camera down,
Camera down, short goes.
Where is, our bag? Just a quick intermission. Flight attendant. Here we go. Alright. And we're back.
And we're back. Inside that boy.
Oh. It was a treasured swatches. Paul Stasny out of 150. Now our patch card.
I'm calling bullshit on that jersey card.
It's an Islander, a Devil, and a Bruin. That could be good. That's what's numbered out of.
Oh, that's dirty.
Nathan Horton, Jason Arnott. Tavares is only a single color, but look at that Horton patch.
Wow.
It's just, it's bulging out of the card.
That's a sick Horton patch.
And then Arnott and Tavares, only one color, but very sick. Uh-oh, here's our, we're gonna get a message from the flight deck. All right, YouTube, till next time, peace.